Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is second part of crochet baby booties. I'm going to show you how to make right shoe. So count 7 stitches on the right side. I think I counted wrong, so I'm going to count it again. Yeah, I was wrong. Inside the hook, into the 7th stitch, chain 1, and then make 1 single crochet into each stitch to the end. I will hide the end of the yarn behind my work like always. You can pause the video and meet me back over here. Now chain 5. And then extra chain 4 inside the hook into the 5th stitch. Turn your work first like this, and then make 1 single crochet into the 5th chain. We made a hole for button, and then continue working 1 single crochet into each stitch to the end. Then continue working the same pattern like in left shoe. I hope it was easy tutorial of crochet baby booties. If you will have any questions, just write me here below the video. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.